Good morning, dear friends. Hope you are all doing very well. And if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, I had posted this spicy masala from Nagpur region called Saoji masala. So today we are going to make chicken curry using that masala. For those who have missed out watching that video, can check it out first. I am sharing the link in the I button and the description box as well. You prepare this masala and then try out this delicious chicken. It tastes so good, just like the way they serve in Saoji Bhojanalayas or eateries in Nagpur. Now, of course, these Bhojanalayas are all over Maharashtra, but those days, earlier, the Saavjis were settlers of Nagpur region. So they started the Bhojanalayas there. So let's proceed to make this delicious chicken curry. Nagpur special, Saoji or Saavji chicken. This is a very delicious and spicy curry, a treat for spicy food lovers. For this, we have taken 500 grams of chicken with the bone. Wash it very well. Oil as needed. 2 large onions sliced. Coriander leaves about half cup, a small bunch. We'll be grinding this with onion. 2 bay leaves. Asafoetida or hing 2 to 3 pinches. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as needed. And this is Saoji masala, which is homemade masala. You can check out the video how to make it. Ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons. List is also shared in the description box. Now first you take a pan and heat oil about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Add the onions. We are going to saute them until they are golden brown. Keep stirring from time to time. Place the lid so that they can get cooked also. Along with getting brown, they will also become soft because we have to grind them. Stir them at regular intervals so that they get browned evenly. If you are a new visitor on my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications. Now you can see the color is changing. This is perfect. It's done. Now we will remove this into a plate. This will be ground along with the coriander leaves to make a fine paste. Now in the same pan, add again some more oil, about same quantity, 3 to 4 tablespoons. This is for frying the chicken. Dip in the chicken pieces. Fry them, flipping the side until they get a nice color on them. Now remove them also in a plate. In the same oil, add little more and dip in the bay leaves. Toss them a bit and add the asafoetida or hing. Followed by turmeric powder. Now add the ginger garlic paste. As you can see, ginger garlic is ground to a very fine paste. Saute it a bit and add the Kashmiri chilli powder, which gives such a lovely color to the curries. Now goes in the ground paste, onion and coriander paste. This is known as vatan in Marathi. Saute it a bit. You don't have to cook it too much as the onion is already fried. So just little bit until all the flavors blend together. Add salt. I'm adding little more oil. Be liberal with oil in this curry. Lot of oil is needed. Saute it until you can see the oil is separating now. Now dip in the chicken pieces, fried chicken. Stir them. Cover with the lid and allow them to simmer for some time. The masala is getting dried up and the oil is also separating. Now you can add water. I am adding about 1.5 cups of water. Later, if required, we can add little more. It all depends on how tender the chicken is. So cover the lid and simmer it on low flame. After 10 minutes, you can open and check. The chicken would not be done 100%. At this stage, you can add the Saoji masala, 2 tablespoons for half kilo. Give it a stir. Actually, this masala also has jowar or sorghum flour, which will thicken the gravy. So I am adding little more water. Now we will cover and let this cook until done. Check the salt before that, so that if it is less you can add. It's perfect. Add some coriander leaves and simmer it on low flame until done, which may take about 5 to 7 minutes more. Chicken takes around 20 minutes to cook. You can check it by inserting a fork or a knife. It's done. Such a lovely gravy. Look at this beautiful color. Dish it out and enjoy this Saoji Bhojanalaya style delicious chicken curry. Looks so tempting, isn't it? I love it with plain rice. You can also enjoy it with bhakris. It tastes awesome. So friends, give this a try and stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. Bye until then. Thanks for watching and check out some of these videos from the archives as well. You might like them too.